In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create stages in Freshsales. Stages help you map out the journey of a deal as it moves through your sales process. By creating clear stages with the right win probability and status, your pipeline becomes easier to manage, easier to forecast, and more consistent across your team. To begin, look at the left sidebar in Freshsales and click Admin Settings. This is the gear icon, and it is where you manage system-level setup like pipelines and deal stages. Once you are in Admin Settings, navigate to Deals and Pipelines, then select Pipelines. This area lists the pipelines in your account, and each pipeline can have its own set of stages. That is helpful if different teams or products follow different sales motions. Next, find the pipeline you want to update. On the same row as that pipeline, click the Edit icon, which looks like a pencil. This opens the Pipeline Editor, where you can view and change the pipeline structure. Now scroll down until you reach the Stages section. This is where all current stages are displayed in order. Take a moment to notice the existing flow, because new stages should fit the sequence your team actually follows. When you're ready, go to the bottom of the list and click Add Stage. Freshsales will prompt you to enter the key details for the new stage. First, type in the stage name. Choose a name that clearly describes what is happening at that point in the deal, so anyone looking at the pipeline can understand it quickly. Then set the win probability percentage. This number should reflect how likely a deal is to close successfully when it reaches this stage. Use values that make sense for your business and try to stay consistent, because these probabilities can influence reporting and forecasting. Finally, choose the type for the stage. Open, won, or lost. Most stages will be open while the deal is still in progress. Use won for the stage that represents a successful close, and lost for outcomes where the deal is no longer moving forward. When everything looks correct, click Save to apply your changes. Your new stage will now appear in that pipeline and be available for deals moving through it. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.